Determine and mark your starting point. A clearance of at least 4 inches from the ground level must be maintained if the ground is soil, and at least 2 inches if it is a solid surface such as paving or concrete. Refer to your local building code to ensure compliance with your installation. It is crucial that the starter strips are laid perfectly straight using the appropriate screws. Use the laser level or bubble level to do this. To facilitate installation, it is suggested to position the top of the starter strip 1 1/8 inch higher than the bottom of the desired stone wall. Use the screws provided in the stone packaging and maintain a spacing of 8 inches when possible, or 16 inches if the installation is on wood or steel furring strips. The panels are installed from the bottom up and fit into each other using anchor keys. The panels must be staggered from one row to the next to avoid the alignment of vertical joints. To do this, you will need to cut the panel to start the second row and alternate every 2 rows for the entire height of the wall. The anchor keys must be fixed straight and flat against the wall. The embossed arrow on the anchor key should point upwards. For the first 2 rows above the starter strip, place 2 screws in the designated areas, inserting the horizontal screw first, followed by the 45-degree angled screw. For all other rows, use 1 screw per anchor key in the angled hole. Make sure the easy keys are tight enough so that the panels don't move, but do not over-tighten the keys, as this could damage the panels and affect the level of the row. Use 2 anchor keys in the top groove of each panel. A single anchor key can be used if the installation panel is less than 10 inches long. Ensure that the panels are properly interlocked in the anchor keys of the lower row to maintain the level. The panels are reversible. The top and bottom can be swapped to facilitate the use of textured ends and minimize waste.